Gita and Krishna, non-different. You Sabda, sound. Gita is sound, sound God. Bhagavat, Krishna, non-different. Vedas, Narayan, Veda, Narayana, Sakshat, non-different. Name and name, non-different. Especially in Kali Yuga, because we have got many kinds of weaknesses, drawbacks. For that reason, Supreme Lord has given all powers to the name. Do whenever you like. Nam namakari bahuda nija sabba shakti stantrarpita. Niyamita smarana kalo adhyadrishita vakri bhagavan mamapi durdeva vidrisham yahadani nanuraga. Kirtan Maharaj saying. Bhagavan appears in different names, Govinda, Krishna, Ram, Narayan. As for example, one of our godbrothers of Guru Maharaj, in his sermon, he has given this illustration. There is one well, deep well, and if you, through basket, you have to pull out the water with the help of the rope. You have seen well? How you can pull out the water? By machine. But in the villages, they do this. There is some revolving thing by this. You have seen that. And sometimes that rope is torn and that basket is within the water. How you can get out that basket? You have to drop a bunch of nails like this. Hooks, bunch of hooks, bunch of hooks into that. Then you have to, by that, one of the hooks will catch the basket, and you can, like that. We have fallen into the pit, into the well of this worldly entanglement. In the worldly pit, we have fallen into it. And how we can be rescued? The Supreme Lord, if I go there in one form, either they will be able to catch me or not. So like a bunch of hooks, he appeared here. As Ram, Krishna, Narayan, catch anybody, catch. Then I said, pull you down, pull up, like that. We have to utter his name in this Kali Yuga. By other means we will not be successful, because our life is short. We cannot do thousands of years of penance. Very difficult.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare.